You know what I dreamed about on this day? I was like, one day I will be on that show. After 5 times, finally made it.
Mercedes Iman, diamonds are forever. Sashay away.
If you had to sum up your Drag Race experience in just a couple of words, what would you say your experience was?
What you see on TV is not the same doing in real life. So it's a lot of work. People think like, oh yeah, girl, I watch YouTube and I know how to do this and that and that. No, girl, it's not like that. You got to do it. This is real. So it's not like, oh, YouTube things. It's real and it's a lot of work and it can be a little bit stressful sometimes, but just don't get over your head. Like just get out of your head and do the work.
What do you hope the fans walk away thinking of Mercedes?
Hopefully they will say, wow, you know what, every Muslim person is not a terrorist. Because I was on the watch list for so many years and I had to change my full name to get out of the watch list. So I couldn't fly, I couldn't go nowhere, so that's the other reason why I wanted to come on this show and just be like, you know what, it's okay to be who you are. You know, people look at Muslim people as a terrorist. They combine as one. One person did something and they're like, yep, the whole religion's a terrorist. So, but hopefully they will think that way. They'll be like, wow, they're not all the same.
What does it mean to you to be the first Muslim queen and to bring that to the show?
It's a blessing that I'm counting on and I'm so grateful for. And I want to speak for other people that doesn't have a voice, that are scared to be who they are. And it's okay to be who you are and still believe in your religion. Because at the end of the day, honey, you got to be happy. You know, follow your heart and believe your religion.
Well, you followed your heart to Drag Race.
I sure did. You know, you can still believe in your religion and follow your heart. If they're happy, you got to be happy too. So that's why I want to tell to other people that it's okay to be you and still believe in your religion.
This seems like a very sisterly group. Did you walk away with friends for life out of this cast?
In my eyes,
yeah,
all of the girls are my sisters. And I do communicate with them actually. We always talk and just reach out to them like, hey girl, how are you? Hope you have a good weekend. Even if we don't talk a lot, I'll just send them a text message, just check on them and see how they're doing.
Who do you talk to the most?
Ariel, Soju, Plastique, Vanjie, and then the rest is, I talk to them, I check on them.